Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our month. Um, oops, that's not what I wanted to show. That was funny. Um, yeah, I missed a chicken out of my trade here, but that was no, no. At the moment, I couldn't tell. And it continues the same thing, you see? The reaction bar has bigger, oops, has bigger volume. I think my suspicion here is being confirmed on the daily levels, you see? I adjusted it like this and it's already a bigger volume. This might be also the end of the month, but but this was potentially the place to pick up some shares yesterday. It would have already worked, right? No, not yet. Yeah, that would have been a trade. Ah, la, la. But the volume, no, is this volume and it's still there. Doesn't matter anymore because it's already like, oh wait, this is weird because technically this is on volume spring and here's the reaction. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. This guy popped, but also like it's so high up there and it's closing 2 bar spring, so you would expect this thing to test now because after spring closed we expect a test. um, this guy I think will go down actually. It's not my trade, I didn't take the trade, just I would have not taken it just because of how weird it is on, yeah, on monthly, and it closes in a break today, most obviously. It's not gonna go here, but yeah, no, we'll see about that. I closed a little bit of 1/3 to be specific. I closed 1/3 of, look at this guy. That's a very interesting thing that's going on with United States dollar against Russian ruble. Just continues to go to 0.5. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Hmm. Yeah. Intel is there. It's too close. Intel is there. Yeah. Unvolumed whatsoever. unvolumed. Yeah. It's an interesting zone. It's counter trend on monthly, so technically it went to 0.5 and now it's on its way back. But we'll keep an eye. Roku, Pfizer. Yeah, chipped off like 1/3 of the position here because of this. Let's make it official. Boom. That didn't go as planned. You know what I mean? That didn't go as planned. You know what I mean? You know exactly what I mean. Yeah. And that's now looks scary. AF. Because there's no transition extremum, I'll still keep this charting because it's now more of, if I use this, and actually this, and actually this. Yeah. It's still in the right direction on daily. This all checks out more or less. But yeah, a little bit more scary on monthly. Hence I chipped off like 1/3 position here at 0.58, I think. I'll hold to third to the rest for the better or worse. Yeah, like somewhere around here. We'll see. Yeah. Only on test now. This thing goes higher. I'm not gonna buy more here. If it comes on test, that will be reasonable. Oh, by the year expands this thing since this spring is unvolumed. If it goes lower. But yeah, I'm not gonna buy more here. I'm not gonna buy more here. This is wild. Yeah, I would have bought it today, like right here. No, I wouldn't buy it anyway. Yeah. If not for my trading coach. This thing is closing below, so change the direction. Changes direction. And closes. Boom. And boom. We are due a big monthly analysis. since months is closing in 20 minutes. Oops. So it's official now. So charging stays relevant, but what are we looking at actually? I don't even need it on monthly. It's in correction, let it go. Same dealio. It's an interesting month. I was gonna say market or both ahead of us. It changed direction. So no one knows. That wouldn't even need a test. However, the month was not still closed, but this thing didn't need a test like this. Boom. This thing wouldn't even need a test. It wasn't closed yet though. Oh, so this all is good for short now. Short. Boom. You guys see what's going on? Markets are reversing big time. Big time. Makes me want to close more shares on Pfizer. You know what I mean? Okay, since we were doing it anyways, so let's Q's SPY. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if that's the real level or this is the level. MX. Boom. Oh, and it's a break actually, so never mind. This thing is going lower. Yeah. Forget it. This thing is going lower. Maybe something like this. So Roku. I should have just closed it here or here, better yet. Pfizer. Damn, that's scary now. Come on, Misha. This is horrible. This is a disaster. Fjord. Magnet. The cow went down. Forget about this thing. It's all non-existent. It's all non-existent. continues to go lower. Maybe it makes sense to do it like this then. I trust my trading coach, but also I trust my eyes. Boom. Five for 480. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. I think that's what I should do. Because because it's just aggressive trade in counter trend right now, so okay. This goes down, this goes down, this thing goes down, everything goes down. Okay. 5480. Five, 480. I actually should ask. My trading coach what he thinks about it. Yeah, I moved my okay. This thing I was saying, so it's still, hold on. Yeah, so this thing is now, suppose it's like this, just for whatever sake. So now it's the first sign of changing direction. And that was our sign of strength that didn't hold. So we'll leave it that. This still works. This is now a break. So forget all this. Forget all this. Interesting. That's also turns to short. Yeah. Still stays. Yeah, that's still monthly contradicting. No, it doesn't contradict, but it's counter trend. It's counter trend. Yeah, it could have worked. That could have worked. Broke the level. Broke the level by hair and went up. Most likely false break. They also call it bearish trap in some cultures, which we are not. So don't you dare to call it bearish trap in my presence. Yeah. Too high. It's a massacre. It worked. It's a spring in 0.5. Well, no. And from some point of view, never mind. Yeah. There will be not bad correction to 0.5 of this spring. Oops. On volume spring though, we aired. But in May there was this 20, yeah, right? So subtract this 5 mils from March. Yeah. Yeah, that still would be better. A bigger, I mean, so maybe it's a volume spring. And that's a break. So what was going on here anyway? This is a bloody massacre. And then it went down and all the way up and never confirmed, and now because there is no transitioning shown here anymore, so you can call it, oh no, sorry, and here's a bum 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 bum, went down down, confirmed, went up. It's a bloody mess. It went down from here. This stock is just erotic, if it's the word. I hope it is. It's better be. There should be a word to describe this stock. No, it's just like all over the place. I don't know what to do with it. Absolutely, I don't. Some kind of massacre. I don't even need it on my list at all. Bye bye. Booms. Yeah. That too, like this too. It just makes no sense. Absolutely no sense. And if it closes bearish, whichever way it closes, it makes no sense. There was a level at least, so it's not bearish. What a massacre. This thing goes lower. Yeah, except for there's no. What a massacre. What a range. Like diapason is way more natural for me, but I understand. When in Rome, say as the Romans say. Look at this. So this was a test level. Oops. Beautiful test level. I bet my ass in 0.5. I shouldn't really bet my ass. But I just did. It's too much of a bet for me. Volume spring, not the biggest volume, so needed a test. This was a test. Up, down, boom. Who might have known? Who might have known? And where's these volumes? Somewhere here. Here. Yeah, the volume's already been tested, so not even a test, but that was definitely a trade. Boom. I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh, this held. This held. It's definitely not this 0.5, it's like this 0.5. There was a wave. Wait, where did it change direction? This diapason is huge. This range is huge, of course. But it's like this. And here it's also questionable, so the bigger wave is like this. So yeah. No, it's decent. I think it's decent for the exception it changed direction. Yeah. This is all is nonsensical. Where did it change direction here? So it went down here, and then yeah, so we are here. And It's not even good for a short. It's not good for anything right now. Huh. Yes. Boom, this is gone. So this is our next stop is you can treat it as the right now. Change the direction though. It's still here. Even if you see it as the bullish bar by the new spread, and then oh no, sorry, it did do a break, and then but we can put it on the monthly watch. It will be interesting from here, and also so up there. Boom. It's in correction, so monthly contradicts yearly. This thing worked out. Unbelievable. Okay, and let's call it a month of May. Sell in May and stay away, is what they say. And we'll see pretty soon whether it's true or false. I'm not gonna go through all of that now. I'll just keep it aside. I'm a bit worried about this guy. Yeah. Okay, guys. Stay safe. Trade well on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in communities